Hello, today I'm going to walk you through how to apply to Allegany College of Maryland. From allegany.edu, you're going to click on Admissions and Aid and then Apply to ACM. Read over this information here and then press Continue. Answer the questions on the first page, including have you previously applied to ACM? Put in your Social Security number, your citizenship status, your name, your birthday, your gender, and your marital status. Now you're going to insert your permanent address. The county you live in, and a good phone number to reach you at. If you have a local address that's different from your permanent address, you can fill it in here. If you just have a permanent address, you only need to fill out the top portion here. And then finally, you need to include your email address, where you will be sent your credentials and acceptance letter from Allegany College of Maryland. Then press Continue. Here you're going to put in your race information, your veteran status, if you're applying for veterans benefits, and select any of these activities you may be interested in. You're going to select your education completed at the time of entering ACM, the year you graduated from high school, where you graduated from high school. First you'll pick your state, and then your high school will be populated over here. Then you answer these three questions with yes or no answers. Here you select your program of study or your major while you're at ACM. Which campus you're planning to attend, when you plan to start taking classes at ACM, why you're going to attend college, how you heard about ACM, and then finally you're going to put in how long you've lived in the county you've lived in, years and months, and then your e-signature is simply your name. You're going to press Continue. You're going to read the college policy statement, put in the text here that verifies that you are not a robot, and then you're going to submit the application. I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching.